Hello, and welcome to this video. We are regularly asked how and where you can meet Marvel characters in Avengers Campus in Disneyland Paris. In this video we show you how you can book a meeting with Spider-Man or another Marvel superhero at the Hero Training Center. Keep in mind that you already have to be in the park before you can enter the virtual queue. Step 1 is to open the Disneyland Paris app on your phone, and step 2 is to log in with your Disney account. After the login is completed, go to the home screen of the app again. Then click on the map to see the map of the park. Here you can choose to see all experiences in a list. Then set your choice to Characters, and select the park, Walt Disney Studios Park. First in the list is the Hero Training Center. This is the one you need. Click on it and then you will see the option to join the virtual queue. You can do this for Spider-Man or for another Marvel superhero. Then you need to choose the people who will participate in the meet-greet. If they have not yet been added, you can add additional people at the bottom of the screen through their park ticket or reservation. After your confirmation, you will receive a virtual ticket in the app with the time when it is your turn to go to the training center. So that's it, now it's your turn to meet your favorite Marvel superhero. In this case it was Spider-Man.